Tyranids have already established their capillary tower. Acadian platoon has taken up position near an abandoned Imperial fortress. Their weapons will lead the counterattack. The Acadian commander can brief you on the fortress's current status.
A Hierophant. Its biological weapons will eliminate Acadian platoon in seconds.
The fortress's Icarus las cannons are strong enough to bring down that beast and the towers. Even with your aid, we do not have the forces to penetrate the main gate. You will need another way in.
Understood.
This path will lead you into the jungle and towards the fortress. May the Emperor grant you success.
Tyranid corruption grows as we delay. It is time to continue on.
Captain Akaran, it is imperative we access the fortress's weapons.
The front gate is inaccessible, so you must enter from below. Fortress schematics show a waste reclamation center. Travel beneath the Tyranids and up into the fortress.
I would prefer a frontal thought, but we do what we must.
Tyranid sighted! Iron Halo ready. Throwing frag grenade. Equipping fresh magazine. Refilling magazines. No sermon?
I may occasionally sound like a chaplain, but I follow our Primarch the same as you. The battle is the sermon.
Close enough. Iron Halo online. Mark Xenos combatant. Ammunition restocked.
Man, that heavy plasma is fucking awesome.
Intercepting projectiles. Enhanced tactic ready. Tyranid threat. Firewall ahead. Reloading. Gifts from the forge. Ready for next encounter.
Oh, were you leaving that
Iron Halo
for
ready.
heavy for ammo? Sorry.
Agreed.
It fits us here anyway.
Straven, present. Cover my reload. Fragmentation device in place! Iron Halo, one line.
The waste reclamation entrance is directly ahead of us.
The hive ships are moving into range of the capillary towers. We are in Kadaka's final hours.
Equipment highlighted.
Iron Halo, ready.
If we must wade through waste Tyranids, so be it.
Wounds of the Imperium. Ordnance on me. No turning. For the Emperor!
If we want to reach the las cannon, we must first awaken all the consoles here.
Zoanthrope contact. Ready anti-psychic tactics. Neurothrope class Tyranny. Prepare to counter. Enhanced tactic ready. Engaging elite countermeasures. The fortress remains sealed. We have to activate these consoles. Fragmentation grenade out! Zoanthrope neutralized.
Unable to leave this room until all of the consoles are awakened.
Iron Halo ready. Afflicted. Vital life functions diminishing.
We cannot leave this place without awakening all the consoles. We cannot leave this place without awakening all the consoles.
Administering aid. Iron Halo, one line. remaining armaments. Resupply there.
Attention, ministers. Communication. Affected.
Then we will remove this material. Invasive material.
These are merely
Foreign biological matter no longer. Communion is done. Transmission of blessing has commenced.
Deploy tactic. Rampant violence. Keep Vox clear of chatter.
Blessings extended to the slumbering unit. Awakening has begun. Minister's presence is required during communion with vessel complete. Ministerial authority accepted. Praise the Messiah. System restoration complete. Primary controls reset.
the battle waits for us. Open the door.
Iron Halo ready.
We're entering the sanctuary.
Good. Head up to the cannons and remind the Xenos of whom they dare to attack.
Sorry. There's no guardian relic there. We'll just skip that ping.
High priority Tyranny eliminated. The Codex approves our tactics. Nullify combatants before it rallies more enemies. Iron Halo protocol in progress. We are committed to this course. Relieving wounds. Wound enhanced tactic ready. Additional supplies secured. Intercepting projectiles.
Swapping magazine.
Throwing fragmentation grenade. Iron Halo ready. Execute Iron Halo tactics. Advancing on incapacitated brother. Tyrannid bioform obliterated. Focus on objective. cold and still as stone. It merely steadies my aim. Iron Hate ready. Ravenatite tyranny obliterated. Carnifex class tyranny encountered. Target Xenos fireball. Xenos displaying evasive behavior. Frag grenade deployed. Tyranny. Enhanced tactics ready. Throwing fragmentation grenade. Engage mind shields. Carnifex kill confirmed. Your movement is erratic.
It is called evasion.
Evade away from my firing lanes.
I will do my best.
That is how we will rise to meet our foes.
Iron Halo online. Deploy tactic. Rampant violence.
Good to go.
The Tyranids seem to know you are close. They are amassing at the fortress.
Good. My blade will be soaked in Tyranid blood.
Medical resupply encouraged. War gear acquired. Eyes on the Hierophant.
Fortress's defense advances will terminate its existence.
Reloading ammunition.
Xenos hunger is insatiable, but the Imperium is dominant.
You are near the last cannons. You will need to find the manual controls to operate them.
The console is near. We will unleash the cannon's divine wrath on the Hierophant. Skills, take some.
Do your move with the things.
A pure shot. This is how we burn away the infection. The abomination targets us with poison.
ready.
Stay back from the Xenos' carriers!
Use your second stint, it'll kill your mobile.
Defense cannon. Engage auxiliary generators to resume fire.
To my wounds. Make them empower the Lascans.
It expels its pollution. Other support protocol engaged. The cannons require energy from the generators. Obtaining armaments. Iron Halo, one line.
Titan launches its missiles.
Attention.
We cannot unleash hell until we nourish the cannons. Done. Unleash the Imperium's might.
System link has been established.
Tyranny unit sight. Friendly firewall issued.
Oh shit, there's a Bible behind.
Terminated Lictor-class combat.
Las cannons ready. Establish target with a sidearm to initiate offensive protocol.
Firewall confirmed.
It does bleed.
What the fuck?
The tyranny dares to attack us. Witness the might of the Imperium away from the Xenos pollution.
Engaging elite countermeasures.
The tyranny damned one hacker. Keep away from the field. With your side up. Stop.
Xenos countermeasures successful. And the Stasis is
The
dead.
Titan launches its missiles.
Converge on objective. The Hierophant aims its weapons at us. Activating. You can fire the defensive cannons.
No longer detected. Engage console to reestablish communication between fortress and surface ground.
Zone through contact. Ready anti-psychic tactics. Zone through. Remove.